Let's learn using Rhino how to do a quick concept of a chair, an organic chair like this. If you want to, actually for this, I'll use the right view. If you want to bring one of your sketch to trace it or a photo, you just type picture and you give it the image. We could start using a curve. You could type curve or use this one. And now we can start drawing roughly the chair. So we'll do something like this. I try to put point in front of so it's cleaner in front of the last one or the corresponding one. The more point you put, the straighter you'll be able to do a sharp edge like this. Alt, because here I'm snapping, but at the same time we don't want too many points, because the more point, the more work to work with. We could still fine-tune this a little bit. We could just click on one point like that. Alt, so you don't snap. I think I'm happy with this. To make this 3D, if we want this to have an offset, we can just go offset like this. If you want it to be hollow, you can go inside or outside. Often when we do offset, we'll go outside, and then we can make this 3D. Extrude, CRV, extrude curve, this one. We can go both sides, solid to yes, and here we'll just, you could press Alt so you're not snapping, and we could do something like this. Voila. If you want it a little bit wider, you just click here on the gumball to scale it. And now to do the taper, there is a taper tool in Rhino. Select your solid, taper, here we go, taper, 0, and then you can go shift, and then here you click again and you drag slowly. Voila, something like this. And if we're going to do a render of it, we can finally do a fillet edge and bring this pretty small, maybe 0.1, and select it all. And voila, we could check using the render view. We could hide this or delete. So just a quick way to do a prototype. Voila.